Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple potato fry recipe.
This is a tasty recipe. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious potato fry masala recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, add 1 tomato, some curry leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Grind it into a paste. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and the grounded paste. Sorry friends, camera recording was off at that time. Mix it well. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Keep it low flame before adding masalas. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well, saute for a minute. Then add 300 grams of boiled potato pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well, cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Stir in between. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame. Our simple potato fry recipe is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.